The Nasdaq finishing the year up a whopping 35%. Of the famed FANG stocks, only Facebook was higher, showing a 55% gain. Amazon, Netflix, and Alphabet all did well, but didn't keep up. Alphabet up 27% for the year. CNBC.com's Jennifer Elias writing a story this afternoon about that company and how veterans of Google say the company has become, quote, unrecognizable. And Jennifer joins us live from San Francisco. Why? What are they complaining about?
So they're saying basically there were a lot of changes that happened over the years, and it's become this company that they don't quite recognize from when they first joined. That includes having a direct line of communication with management, having influence in products, and having their concerns heard in organizations like HR.
In terms of the founders, has that got something to do with it? The fact that Eric Schmidt, the former chairman, is hardly involved anymore, and Larry Page and Sergey Brin clearly have given up their CEO titles, albeit clearly they have significant influence in terms of their share ownership still.
Yeah, I think, we don't know exactly what is tied to the founders, and we think they've been a little bit more distant from the company as the company has grown, and it's been a struggle for them to learn how to kind of scale their initial ideals of this open, freewheeling culture to, scale 100,000 plus employees, which comprises the workforce today.
Well, so are these complaints like pre-departure of Larry Page and Sergey Brin, or is this now with the change, even in this last month, they're thinking, oh, what are we going to do? How do we move forward?
Yeah, so the changes, they say, have been gradual over the last few years specifically, but 2019 was a pivotal year for the company, and they made a number of changes that affected how they could handle the employees. And so they said, 2019 and the tail end of 2018 really was sort of the straw that broke the camel's back to where they felt like they couldn't relate to this workforce and this culture. And so it started before they stepped down. And now I think we're starting to see hints of what could have potentially led to that step down. And, some employees told me that it's become a culture that the founders actually didn't want initially when they started Google.
Jennifer, thank you very much. The story is online now on CNBC.com about how Google veterans are calling the company unrecognizable.